Is your AT&T TV box constantly turning off? You're not alone. Many users experience automatic shutdowns, and as of 2025, these problems persist across various models, including the AT&T TV 4K streaming device and older U-verse receivers. The most common reasons for these shutdowns fall into four main categories. Overheating is the biggest culprit, accounting for about 65% of cases. Power supply issues account for 20% of shutdowns, while software glitches make up 10%, and hardware failures account for the remaining 5%. Overheating occurs when the internal temperature exceeds 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. This triggers an automatic shutdown protection mechanism to prevent permanent damage to the device. Here we can see actual heat damage on a circuit board. The black, burnt components labeled Q2 and Q3 show what happens when overheating occurs. The surrounding discoloration and residue indicate severe heat damage that can permanently destroy the device. Newer 4K models are particularly heat sensitive due to their higher processing demands. 4K streaming requires about 3 times more processing power than standard definition, which generates significantly more heat and makes these devices more prone to overheating shutdowns. Understanding these causes is the first step to fixing the problem. Whether it's overheating, power issues, software glitches, or hardware failures, identifying the root cause will help you choose the right solution. Now that we understand why AT&T TV boxes shut down, let's fix the problem with proven troubleshooting solutions. We'll start with immediate fixes that work in 70 to 80% of cases. First, improve ventilation around your device. Your AT&T TV box needs at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides to breathe properly. Remove it from enclosed cabinets and entertainment centers. Clean the air vents monthly using compressed air. Dust accumulation is a major cause of overheating. Use short bursts to avoid damaging internal components. Perform a complete power reset sequence. First, unplug the device for 30 seconds. Then, while it's still unplugged, hold the power button for 15 seconds to discharge any remaining power. Control the environment around your device. Keep room temperature below 75 degrees Fahrenheit and avoid placing the box in direct sunlight. Consider using air conditioning during peak heat periods. Update your device firmware regularly. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Software Update. Enable automatic updates to prevent future issues caused by outdated software. If basic fixes don't work, consider advanced solutions. Professional cleaning services can remove internal dust buildup. External cooling accessories like laptop cooling pads can provide additional airflow. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact AT&T for a replacement device, especially if your box is still under warranty. Remember, proper maintenance can save you hundreds of dollars and prevent future frustration.